Hello. So, voice is audible. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Your voice is audible, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. So, in the morning class, we have been discussing about your critical path method. That is the techniques of project, right? Hello. You know that how to draw a network diagram, right? In the morning class, I told you. Actually, uh, a network diagram that consisting of your activities, events, and symbols like arrow marks, and every network diagram having a starting point as well as finishing point. You know that in a project work, you know that a number of activities have been involved, right? And these activities must complete the task. What do you mean by activity? Activity means certain amount of tasks which is to be completed within a stipulated period of time, right? So every activity, you know that in a network diagram, activities are represented by capital alphabet, A, B, C, D, like that. And events are represented by your natural numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Events are represented by your natural numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, and encircle with the circles. Clear? So, uh, I take another diagram, you see, for your better understanding. Suppose this is your activity A, right? This is activity B, and this is the activity C. This is event number 4, right? Hello? This is activity C. Now, this is event number 5. This is activity D. This is activity E. Now, let's say this is event number 6.
Sir, background कार noise आସୁଛି पीयूषा महांती जी
Please, mute.
please mute
Mohanty sir,
speaker टा बंद कर दो.
please mute yourself. When I ask you, then you can unmute and answer, or if you have any query, right? Okay?
कैसे हो गया ये कैसे ऐसे हो गया?
क्या हो गया? ठीक तो है.
ऐसा कर रहा हूँ तो ये दाग आ जा रहा है.
तुमने अपना कुछ ऑन कर दिया है क्या? ऑन करता है पागल, वो चिल्लाएगा फिर.
Ma'am, please mute Samsung SM S711B.
Okay. This is your starting point. Anyone can, hello? The whiteboard is not working. Hello?
Sir, whiteboard is working. We can say it properly.
Okay, okay. So,
Sir, ଏବେ ଲିଭିଗଲା ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ ଡ୍ର କରିଥିଲେ.
ମୁଁ ଆଉ ଥରେ କରୁଛି। ଶୁଭଶ୍ରୀ,
Yes, sir.
event 2, this is A, this is event 3, activity B, this is event 4. ଆପଣ ମାନେ କିଏ ହ୍ୱାଇଟ ବୋର୍ଡରେ ଗାର ଫାର ଟାଣୁଛନ୍ତି କି ସେଠି? ହ୍ୟାଲୋ,
Yes, sir कि continuously draw माने या फिर
हमारा नहीं है
indirectly.
if you disturb, then I can't do anything. Hello.
Sir, someone is scratching. Someone is scratching the whiteboard.
That's the
Yes,
problem.
sir.
Hmm.
मैंने टच भी नहीं किया वो अपने आप आ गया.
No. So nobody is scratching. When someone is touching to enlarge the screen, it is
Yes,
happening
yes,
like
sir.
that.
Okay, sir. Okay. Please, I request.
बॉडी अपन तेरे କରୁଛନ୍ତି ସେତେବେଳେ ଦେଖା ଯାଉଛି. एनलार्ज करने के लिए हम लोग कर रहे हैं ना तो गारो आସୁଛି.
अच्छा,
मैम
अच्छा.
टिके म्यूट कर दियंतु.
Okay, sir.
Hel-
Now it is visible. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, visible.
Okay. Now, suppose you say, in the morning class also I told you, every network diagram having a starting point and a finishing point, and from starting to finishing,
नॉन
you
टच
can
आएगा गारो गारो पे.
you can draw
ये बड़ा
from
କରୁଛନ୍ତି तो बंद होଉଛି.
suppose this is 3, this is 4,
Yeah.
this is 5, right? This is 6, this is 7, this is 9, this is 11, this is 12. These are the time duration of different activities.
वो उन्होंने उसको कंट्रोल में नहीं लिया
In
हुआ है ना.
the in the morning class,
हो रहा है.
in
सर
the
सर
morning,
1 minute सर सर आप आवाज पूरा कटि जाउची से सामना रो आवाज आसले. मैम जे भी कहउचंती प्लीज म्यूट कर दियंतु ना. गारो गारो आसुची एबे जे कहले प्लीज.
okay, everybody mute. Okay, hello.
सर आप होस्ट अछंती नले म्यूट कर दियंतु.
Acha, okay. So you see, this is the starting point and this is the finishing point. Actually, you see, immediate predecessor of activity A is nil, immediate predecessor of B is nil, immediate predecessor of 4 is nil. And immediate predecessor of activity E is A, because activity A, terminated at event 2, activity B is terminated at event 3, and activity C is terminated at event 4, right? So that is why the activity A is terminated at event 2, where the activity A is terminated. From that point, activity E begins. So immediate predecessor of E is A, right? Similarly, activity D is terminated at event 3. Actually, activity D started from event 2, where the activity A is terminated, right? So event 2, it is the terminated point of activity A. It is a starting point of activity D. So that is why immediate predecessor of D is A, because where the activity A is terminated, from that point activity D begins, right? Similarly, at event 3, 2 activities have been terminated. Look at your B and D. So F begins, where the activity both B and D have terminated. From that, your activity F begins. So immediate predecessor of activity F is your B and D, right? Similarly, at event 4, activity C is terminated. And where the activity C is terminated, from that point, your activity G begins. So the immediate predecessor of activity G is immediate predecessor of activity G is your C. Clear? Okay. So similarly, look at your event number 5, where 3 activities have been terminated: E, F, and G. E, F, and G. Okay, so that is why immediate predecessor of activity H is E, F, and G. So the question is setting like this. Also, in the morning class, I told you, suppose this is your activity. You take activity, right? We have A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, E, F, G, and H. So
Yes, ma'am.
immediate predecessor is
Yes.
of activity A is nil. Okay, this is your time duration, right? So immediate predecessor of activity A is
ये
nil.
जी एक्चुअली ही बता रहे थे
Activity
ए बी सी डी
B, activity
ई
B is
एफ
nil.
एच
Activity C is nil. Immediate predecessor of D is A. Immediate predecessor of activity E is your also A. Because why? Because 2 is the terminated event of activity A, where activity A is terminated, activity E begins. So immediate predecessor of E also A, D also A, and immediate predecessor of F is B and D. What is that? B and D. And immediate predecessor of G is C. G is C. And immediate predecessor of H is E, F, and G. What is that? E, F, and G. Right? And time durations are given: 3, activity A; activity B, 4; activity C, 5; activity D, we have 6. Time duration given: activity E, 7; activity F, that is 9; activity G, it is 11; and activity H is for how much? It is 12. Clear? Okay. Activity G is
बड़ा
12. Okay.
फिर कोई भी कितना बड़ा कर दिया
Okay. Now I think it is clearly visible. Hello.
Sir, please again from start.
This is the starting point. Okay. And this is the finishing point. Actually, every network diagram having a starting point as well as what? Your finishing point. Right. And from starting to finishing, you can stress out the different definite path. In the morning class, I think you are absent. That's why. Definite path. Look at here. Your path are A, E, H. Actually, this is the question given to you. And you draw the network diagram. Activity A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. These are the immediate predecessor. Activity A, its immediate predecessor nil. Activity B, immediate predecessor nil. Activity C, immediate predecessor nil. Activity D, immediate predecessor is A. Activity E, its immediate predecessor is also A. Activity F, its immediate predecessor is B and D, because activity B and D have terminated at event 3, and from event 3, activity F begins. So immediate predecessor of F is B and D. Immediate predecessor of G is C, and immediate predecessor of H is E, F, and G. What is that? E, F, and G. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Clear. So now this is a complete network diagram, because from starting to finishing, you can trace out the definite path. Here, definite path are A, E, and H. What is that? A, E, and H. Clear? A, E, and H. And another one is A, D, F, H. A, D, F, and Here, another one is your BFH. What is that? BFH. Okay. Another path is CGH. What is that?
CGH.
CGH. So now, which path will take maximum? Which path will take maximum time for the completion of the project work? The path EAF, because in a project work earlier I told you, many activities get involved. Activities means these are the certain amount of tasks which is to be furnished within a stipulated period of time. Time duration is mentioned below the arrow mark. Look at here. Activity A has assigned a task and that task has to be completed within 3 days. Clear? So here this path AEF will take how many days? 3 plus 7, 10. 10 plus 12, 22. What is that? 22 days. Clear? And ADFH, this path will take 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 12, 30 days. Am I right? Hello?
Yes, sir. 30.
30 days. B, that is your ADFH. ADFH. And BFH takes how much? 4 plus 9, 13.
25.
13 25. Okay, very good. Then next, this path, CGH, it will take 5 plus 11, 16.
28.
16 plus 28. So
28.
which one is the maximum here? This one? Hello, 30. So ADFH, this is called your critical path because critical and the critical activities are ADFH. Why this is called critical path? Because this path takes maximum number of days. This path takes what? Maximum number of days for the completion of what? Your task. Hello, correct? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So critical activities are ADFH. Which one is critical activity? Actually, that activity is critical activity generally which takes more time, consuming more time for finishing the task in comparison to the stipulated period of time. Suppose activity A assigned with 3 days. That means activity A has completed its task within 3 days. But if activity A unable to finish the task within 3 days, takes more than 3 days, then it will be turned out to be what? A critical activity. Hello, clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is
Yes, sir.
CPM critical path method in network diagram. These are the project management techniques. So far, project management techniques is concerned, we have CPM and POT. Actually, CPM is a activity-oriented project management method. It is activity-oriented method. But you see, in CPM problem, look at here, your time duration is given. Time duration is given for activities. Activity A assigned with 3 days, activity B assigned with 4 days, C assigned with 5 days. But in POT problem, the estimated time, these are called as the estimated time. The estimated time is not given in your POT problem, right? Hello? Instead of that, your POT problem, stipulated period of time is not given. Instead of that, you see here, uh, hello.
Yes, sir.
Instead of that, actually your 3 time durations are given. I told you what are the 3 time duration in case of POT problem. That is optimistic time. Actually, POT problem, it is event oriented, not activity oriented. What is that? Event oriented. Project evaluation and review technique. It is called the POT problem. Project evaluation and review technique. So here, the estimated time is not given. Instead of that, 3 time duration is given. One is optimistic. optimistic time period, then pessimistic time, then another one is the most likely time. What is that? Most likely time. So optimistic time, it is represented by T0, pessimistic time represented by TP, and most likely time represented by TM. I'll dictate, that is the distinction between CPM and POT. One of the distinction is CPM problems are what? Activity oriented, but POT problems, these are what? Your event oriented. That means in CPM problem, estimated time duration of each activity is given, but in POT problem, the estimated time duration of each activity is not given. Rather, these three time durations are given: optimistic time, pessimistic time, and most likely time. And by using that these three time duration, you can find out the estimated time duration of each activity. The formula is expected time is equal to 20. Hello. Formula is T0 is equal to okay. Hello. Formula is T0 is TE is equal to expected time is equal to your optimistic time plus 4 into most likely time plus pessimistic time divided by 6. This is the formula.
ସାର୍ ବହୁତ ଛୋଟିଆ ଛୋଟିଆ ଦିଶୁଛି ସାର୍ ଦିଶୁନି କିଛି।
ନାଇଁ କିଏ ସ୍କ୍ରିନରେ ଟାଣି ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ତ ମୁଁ କରେକ୍ଟ କରିଦଉଛି, କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା ନାହିଁ।
ୟେସ୍ ସାର୍।
ଏଇଟା କଣ କି ମୋର ଟିକେ ଆଡଜଷ୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ, ମୋର ନହେଲେ ହ୍ୱାଇଟ ବୋର୍ଡ ମୋର ନିଜର ଯୋଉଟା ଆଗରୁ କରୁଥିଲି କଣ ଗୋଟେ setting ରେ problem ହେଇଛି, ମୁଁ ତାକୁ correct କରିଦେବି, no problem. Now it is visible or not? Hello, this is the formula. Hello, that is optimistic time 4 into most likely time plus your pessimistic time divided by 6. This is the formula. So for finding out what estimated time period of each activity in POT problem, because in POT problem, the estimated time duration of activity is not given. As I told you, suppose this is your activity A. Okay, this is the activity A, right? If it is not visible, then hello, this one, optimistic time, I think it's very small. Hello.
Yes, sir, it's very small. Sir, the formula ଟା ଆଉଥରେ ଟିକେ ଡାକିଦିଅ।
ହଁ ଡାକ୍ତର।
ସାର୍ ଟିକେ ଆଉଥରେ ସାର୍ ଟିକେ ଏକ୍ସପ୍ଲେନ୍ ଟିକେ କରନ୍ତୁ ଅପ୍ଟିମିଷ୍ଟିକ୍, ପର୍ସିମିଷ୍ଟିକ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ମୋଷ୍ଟ ଲାଇକଲି ଟାଇମ୍।
ହଁ ମୁଁ ସାର୍ ବଢିଆ କି ଏକ୍ସପ୍ଲେନ କରୁଛି ସାର୍। ହ୍ୟାଲୋ, ବଢିଆ କି
Yes,
କରିଲି।
Yes, sir.
ୟେସ୍ ସାର୍।
କରୁଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା, ପୁରା କ୍ଲିୟର ହେଇଯିବ, ଆପଣ ବ୍ୟସ୍ତ ହୁଅନ୍ତୁନି। ଆଉ ଥରେ ମୁଁ କରୁଛି, ଆପଣ ଟିକେ ସପୋର୍ଟ କରନ୍ତୁ। ଆପଣ ମାନେ ଲାପଟପ୍ ଯଦି କରୁଛନ୍ତି କରନ୍ତୁ। ହ୍ୟାଲୋ, ଆଉ ମୋବାଇଲରେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆପଣ ମାନେ ସ୍କ୍ରିନ୍ ଟାକୁ ଏକ୍ସଟେଣ୍ଡ କରୁଛନ୍ତି, ଏଇଠି ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ହେଇଯାଉଛି ମୁଁ ଯୋଉ ଲେଖୁଛି, ତେଣୁ ଟିକେ ସହଯୋଗ କରନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ। ହ୍ୟାଲୋ, okay, so thanks. So now you see, formula is what, as I told you, listen. Now it is visible clearly. ମୁଁ ଆଉ ଟିକେ ବଡ କି ଟାଣୁଛି। Now it is visible or not? Hello. ଆଉ ଟିକେ ଯଦି thickness ବଢେଇ ଦେବି ତାହେଲେ ବଢେଇ ଦେବି, କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା ନାହିଁ। Hello. ଆଉ ଟିକେ ବଢେଇ ଦେଲି thickness. Now I think it is clearly visible to all of you. Look at here.
ୟେସ୍ ସାର୍।
Now this is activity in your CPM problem. What happens? Suppose a duration 4 days. It has been given. That is estimated time. It is given in CPM problem. But in POT problem, CPM problem is what? This is activity oriented. But POT, these are event oriented. And in POT problem, your expected time duration is not given. Instead, your T0 is what? Optimistic time. This is optimistic time Is it clearly visible? Hello?
Yes. No, sir. Actually, can you make it?
And this is sir. Hello?
Sir,
It,
it's
it is
not visible properly.
it is not visible. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Visible, sir.
Okay.
Small,
Okay.
sir.
I think it is visible. This is most likely
ମୋବାଇଲ
time.
ରେ ଛୋଟିଆ ଦେଖାଯିବ ଲାପଟପ ଯଦି ୟୁଜ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ତାହେଲେ କରନ୍ତୁ
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଠିକ ଅଛି କରନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଆଉ ଟିକେ ବଢେଇ ଦଉଛି ହ୍ୟାଲୋ ଓକେ ହ୍ୟାଲୋ
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
this
It's
is your
visible.
T0 is optimistic time, TP is pessimistic time, TM is most likely time. By using these three time duration, you can find out the expected time. Expected time is your T0 plus 4 into TM plus TP by 6 by 6. This is the formula. Right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Expected time of each activity, how you can find out? Optimistic time plus 4 into Tm plus Tp by 6. Now, let me explain what is optimistic time, what is pessimistic time, and what is most likely time. Okay. Actually, write down, lekhantu, mu dictate karuchi. Optimistic time. It is the, hello, my voice is audible?
Yes, sir.
Please write down.
yes sir
It is the shortest possible time duration it is the shortest possible time duration it is the shortest possible time duration in which it is the shortest possible time duration in which task is completed in which task is completed it is the shortest possible duration time in which task is completed in which task is completed
Completed.
in which task is completed when things are going well when things are going well when things are going well when things are going
Well.
well okay now once again I repeat what is optimistic time it is the shortest possible time duration in which an activity complete its task when things are going well. Going well means listen. Actually, suppose an activity has assigned with time duration 4 months. How much? 4 months. That means that activity A has completed the task within 4 months. Okay. But if the activity A complete this task before 4 months, let's say 1.5 months, then this is called your optimistic time. Actually, it is the shortest possible time duration in which an activity can complete its task when things are going well. Okay, that means things are going well means if everything is fine. Suppose you say in your the working condition of that farm or industry, if the working condition is better, that means employees are given appropriate leisure time, right? Then employees are provided other facilities, including your free medical service facility, free education for their children, right? If the factory owner makes all sort of provision for the workers and working atmosphere is excellent, right? That means your to get rid of from extreme heat during the summer season, the appropriate provision that is made. That means cooling fan or your cooler or air conditioner must be fitted in the work field in which the workers they are working. That means if working condition is better and the owner of the production unit or mm, management owner of the factory gives all sort of benefits, leisure time, right? Then what happens? The workers they becomes more optimistic. They have shown the positive attitude. So that's why your work is completed even before the stipulated period of time. So that is why it is the shortest possible time duration in which the worker can finish the task when things are going well. If everything is fine, if you take a management college, suppose another example, right? MBA, to complete the MBA course, actually there is the provision of 2 years. The BPUT, Biju Patnaik University of Technology, provides full-time 2-year MBA course. So here, complete duration is 2 years. That is the time duration. Means students, they have completed the MBA program within 2 years. So where the students, they take admission, suppose in institutions, in different institutions, students, they take admission, right? Uh, that means, suppose in that institution, all sort of educational infrastructure are quite excellent. That means in that institution, there is a better library, varieties of books are there, so that students can access different books during the leisure time. A sitting arrangement excellent. Classroom are what fitted with all sort of modern amenities, smart board, air conditioned, everything is there. Teaching aid is there, and teachers are excellent, very experienced teachers. Management hired experienced teachers. Obviously, here educational infrastructure is fine and better. That means even students they have completed the MBA program before 2 years even they have completed within 1 year or 1.5 year because now the students they have shown what the positive attitude they become more optimistic. That is what optimistic time means. What it is the shortest possible time duration in which an activity is completed. An activity can complete its task even before the stipulated period of time if things are going very well. Hello, got it? Paddy sir, Paddy sir ଅଛନ୍ତି? Hello, PC Paddy sir. Okay, Sonalika madam.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So that is optimistic time. Now write down the pessimistic time. Write down. It is the longest duration of. It is the longest possible time duration. Write down. Pessimistic time. It is the longest possible time duration. Hello. Actually, your voice is breaking, sir. But that means your network is not fine. Hello. Sir, your voice is breaking. Network is not fine. Hello. Hello. There is some disturbance in your network. So when you, sir, when you attend the online classes, please check your first network. Network should be excellent one because, hello. There must be no interruption in between. Otherwise, the class is disrupted. Hello? Sonalika madam? Hello?
Sir, sir actually ସବୁ class
Yes.
ରେ ତାଙ୍କର on ରହୁଛି.
Sir,
You,
sir ଆପଣ ସାର୍ ପଢନ୍ତୁ ସାର୍ ସାର୍ ଆପଣ ପଢନ୍ତୁ ତାଙ୍କର ମାଇକ୍ ଅନ୍ ରହୁଛି ଆପଣ ସାର୍ ପଢନ୍ତୁ।
Sonalika madam, your voice is very clear. Sandeep sir, your voice is clear. Anyway, so
ସାର୍
listen.
ଆପଣ participants କୁ ଯାଇକି 3 dots କୁ ଯାଇକି ତାଙ୍କୁ mute କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ନା। ସେ
Yes, sir,
actually
exactly.
ଜାଣି ପାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି କି କେମିତିକା mute କରାଯାଏ। ସେଥିପାଇଁ ସେ କରିପାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି।
ହଉ ମୁଁ କରିଦେବି ଆଉ। Okay. Hello. କରିଦେବି, no problem. Listen, now write down pessimistic time. Write down, it is the longest possible of duration time. It is the longest possible duration time. It is the longest possible duration time in which it is the longest possible duration time in which it is the longest possible duration time in which an activity completes its task. It is the longest possible duration time in which an activity completes its task. Okay, hello. ମୁଁ mute କରିଦେଲି ସାର୍।
Yes, sir.
Okay. କାରଣ ସେ ବାରମ୍ବାର disturbance ହେଲା। ଏକ ତ କଥା
Actually ସେ
ଶୁଭା
ଜାଣି
ଯାଉନି।
ପାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି କି କେମିତି mute କରାଯାଏ and camera off ହୁଏ। ତ
Okay.
ସେଥିପାଇଁ ସେ
You see, pessimistic time is what? It is the longest possible duration time in which an activity complete its task. It is the longest possible duration time in which an activity completes its task when things are not going well. When things are not going well. Okay? Hello?
Yes,
What is
sir.
pessimistic time? It is the longest possible duration time. It is the longest possible duration time in which an activity completes its task when things are not going well. Okay. Suppose you see the working environment is not better. That means if the working environment is what? Worst one, then obviously the workers will take more time for finishing their task because workers they become more pessimistic. That means they have shown the negative attitude. That means the workers, those who are working, right? If that organization unable to provide leisure time, unable to provide all other benefits like TA, DA, right? Hello, anything, benefits, leisure time, also unable to provide what? Your free education to their children, free medical service facilities. Obviously, the workers they become more dissatisfied, and workers they have shown what their negative attitude. They become more pessimistic. That means now instead of taking suppose activity A stipulated time duration 4 months, instead of taking 4 months activity A may consume what 8-9 months for completing the same task. Okay, that is called as your pessimistic time. That means workers they have shown what negative attitude. They become more pessimistic because they are not getting the benefits. Okay, and other facilities, right? So they become more what pessimistic. Also, if the organization unable to conduct training and development program on regular basis, obviously that could not enhance the skill of the workers. So this is also another reason why the workers they'll consume more time. You see, many organizations uh, they conduct what your training and development programs on regular basis. Mainly why? For promoting the skill. Am I right or not? Skill of the workers. If the skill of the workers is promoted, obviously the activity or the task that can be completed before the stipulated period of time. So that's why that is specific time. And most likely time means it is the exact time duration. Lekhandu, most likely time. It is the exact time duration. Hello. It is the exact time duration in which it is the exact time duration in which it is the exact time duration in which
Yes, sir.
it is the exact time duration in which an activity completes its task. Exact time duration means suppose activity A assigned 4 months, that means the task is completed within the 4 months. So now we take the what? A pot problem, right? Pot problem. Exactly the pot problem is given like this. Listen, suppose I take what? This is 1, 2, 1, 3, means it is event oriented, right? 2, 4, 3, 4, 3, 5, 4, 5, 4, 6, 5, 6. So here the pot problem is given like this. Look at here. That is 1, 2, 1 to 2, then 1, 3, then 2, 4, then 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 4, then 3, 4, then 3, 5, 3, 5, then 3, 5,
4,
then
6.
4, 5, 4, 5,
Yes.
4, 5, right? Hello?
4,
Yes, sir.
6.
4,
Sorry,
5.
5, 6.
Then another one is the 5, 4, 6 and 5, 6.
5, 6. Yes.
Yes. So once again I write here. It's Jagalani 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 4, 3, 5, 4, 5, then 4, 6 and 5,
And 5,
6.
6.
Yes. 4, 6 and 5, 6. Okay. Hello.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
गायब है गला और स्क्रीन टा visible होने.
So देखिए आंसर करिए. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now that is 1, 2. କେତେ ଥିଲା କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ତ ଲେଖିଥିବେ.
1,
କୁହନ୍ତୁ.
2,
ହଁ.
1, 3,
1, 3,
then 2, 4,
2, 4,
3, 4,
3, 4,
3, 5,
3, 5,
4, 5,
4, 5,
4, 6.
4, 6,
Last one is 5, 6.
5, 6. Okay.
Yes.
Then here, these are the event oriented. Now here, as I told you, 3 time duration are given. T0 in pot problem. But in CPM problem, your time duration is given, that is estimated time. But here, estimated time of each activity is given. But here, it is not given. That is T0, TP, and Tm. These are the three time durations are given. Clear? Okay. In your
Yes,
pot problem. Exactly this. So by using this time duration, you can easily compute what? The estimated time. What is that? Estimated time. How you compute the estimated time? That is T, it is T0 plus 4Tm plus TP
TP
divided by
divided by 6.
divided by 6. This is the formula for computing what? Estimated time. Right? So now suppose it is given 2 optimistic time, pessimistic time 2, most likely time 2. It is given 3, it is given 4, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And this is, suppose, hello?
Yes, sir.
Suppose this one is the 3. This one is 3. Okay. That is most likely time. And this one is 11. This one is 11. Okay. Then this is 4. This is 6, suppose. And this is 8. Okay. Now this is 5. This is 5. This is 5. Now this is, let's say, 3. This is 3. This is 3. Now this is, let's say, this is 7. Okay. And this is 5. This is 3. Okay. Hello. This is 1. This is 1. This is 1. Now this is 6. This is 6. This is 6. Now this is the problem given. So now easily you draw first, you draw the network diagram. Then you what? Find the critical path. Also here the question is asking what? Find critical path. So what is the estimated time here? Suppose you say in the question paper it is given like this: event oriented. You named it as A. This is B. This is C. This is D. This is E. This is F. This is G. This is H. You named like this. Okay.
Sir, 1 to 2 is like these are all time duration, na?
These are event oriented. Event, not time duration.
Okay,
Event
sir.
oriented means, sir, 1 to 2 like this. The network diagram you draw. Very easy. Then 1 to 3 like this. Hello? 2 to 4 like this.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Sir, got it? Then
Sir,
3
sir.
to 4, sir, this one. It is very easy. Then 3 to 5, sir, this one. 3 to 5. Okay. Then 4 to 5, 4 to 5 is this one. Then 4 to 6, 4 to 6 are this one. Right? Then 5 to 6, 5 to 6. Now this is the starting point, and this is what? Your finishing point. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you named it as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H like this. You named it as A 1, 1 to 2 A, 1 to 3 B. Hello. 1, 2 to 4, that is C. 3 to 4 D. 2 to, sorry, 1 to 2 A, 1 to 3 B, 2 to 4 C, then 3 to 4 is D. 3 to 4 is D. Then 4 to 5 is, hello,
Yes, sir.
that is E. 4 to
3
5,
to 5 A.
4 to 5 F and 4 to 6 G.
now 4 to 5 F, 3 to 5 E, sorry, 3 to 5 E, that is
Yes, sir.
F, right? And 4 to 6, it is G. And 5 to 6, it is H. Clear? So now you can find out the time duration of each activity here, right? That is by using this formula 2, 4 into 2, 8, because T0 plus 4 into Tm plus Tp. Optimistic time 2, 4 into most likely time, 4 into 2, 8 plus 2, 10 plus 2, 12. 12 by 6 is 2. So this is 2. Got it or not? Hello?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
P, that
Yes,
is
sir.
3 into 4, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 15 plus 11. Hello? ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଏଇଟା ଟିକେ ଭୁଲ, ଏଇଟା ସବୁ ଛିଡ଼ିବ, ବୁଝିପାରିଲେ କି ନାହିଁ? ଛଅରେ ଡିଭାଇଡ ହଉଥିବ। 4 into 3, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. Then 15 plus 9 କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। 24. 24 by 6 is how much? Hello? 4. So this is 4.
4.
Clear? Now this is 6 into 4, 24. 24 plus 8, 32. 32 plus 4, 36. 36 by 6 is how much? 6. Hello?
6.
Similarly, 5 into 4, 20. 25, 30. 30 by 6 is 5 or not? Hello?
Yes, sir. 5.
5. So, similarly, now this is 3. 4 into 3, 12. 15, 18. 18 by 6 is 3 or not? Hello? So E is 3.
Yes, sir.
Clear? F, this is
Yes.
28. 28 plus 5, 33. 33 plus 3, 36. 36 by 6. 6 or not? Hello?
Yes,
This
sir.
is,
Yes, sir.
then G, that is
1.
6 by 6, it is 1. Okay. And
Yes.
H, that is 6 into 6, 6 into 4, 24. This is 30 plus 36, 36 by 6.
6.
How much? It is 6. So now easily you can find out what? Your, that is critical path. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Critical
sir.
path. Right? Because the path which will consume, one path is A, C, G. Hello. Another path is your B, D, G. Hello. B, E, H. Correct or not? A, C, and E and H. These are the paths. And the path which will take more time, that is turned out to be what? Critical path. Clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
sir
those,
ଆଉଥରେ ଟିକେ sir କହିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
sir, those data already to given or
Yes, these are
T0
given to you.
TPTM.
Yes, sir. This optimistic time, pessimistic time, and most likely time. So that is why that is also your POT problem. It is otherwise called as your probabilistic approach. What is that? Probabilistic approach, because your estimated time duration is not given. Instead, these time duration are given. Optimistic, pessimistic, and most likely. Already I have defined what is optimistic time, what is pessimistic time, and what is most likely time. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Sir ଆଉଥରେ sir ଟିକେ ବୁଝାନ୍ତୁ ଟିକେ।
କୋଉଟା ସାର୍ କୁହନ୍ତୁ?
sir last part ଟା ଯୋଉ T part ଟା ମାନେ expected time part ଟା calculation part ଟା।
Expected time ହେଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଫର୍ମୁଲା ହଉଛି optimistic time plus 4 into most likely time plus pessimistic time divided by 6. ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ତ already କହିଲି what is optimistic time, what is pessimistic time, ଏଇଟା ବୁଝିଛନ୍ତି ତ ସାର୍ ସନ୍ଦୀପ ସାର୍?
yes sir clear sir।
ହଁ, ତାହେଲେ ଆପଣ expected time of each activity here, because POT problem, these are event oriented. ଆପଣ ଏଗୁଡା ଦେଇନଥିବ, କେବଳ ଏମିତି ଦେଇଥିବ, ଦେଖିବେ problem। 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 2 to 4 ବୁଝିପାରିଲେ କି ନାହିଁ? ତେଣୁ
ଆମକୁ
ଆପଣ
ସାର୍
ନେଟୱାର୍କ
ଆମକୁ ସାର୍ ତାହେଲେ ଏମିତି ସାର୍ ଡାଇଗ୍ରାମ ବନେଇକି କାଲକୁଲେସନ
ହଁ
କରିବାକୁ ପଡିବ।
ହଁ ତେଣୁ ଏଇଟା ଇଜି, କିନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ସିପିଏମ୍ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମରେ କଣ ଦେଇଥିବ ଆକ୍ଟିଭିଟି ଆଣ୍ଡ ଇମିଡିଏଟ୍ ପ୍ରେଡିସେସର. So that's why first you have to do a rough work. Then after that you can find out. So in the next class, sir, ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ, next class I will dictate. ମୁଁ next class ରେ ଏଟାକୁ adjust କରିଦେଲେ ଆହୁରି ବଢିଆ କି ଦେଖାଯିବ. Next class I will discuss the difference between CPM and POT. ପରୀକ୍ଷାରେ ପଡେ ଆଜ୍ଞା. Hello. Critical path
Yes, sir.
method and POT evaluation review technique. ଏତିକି କରିସାରିଲା ପରେ ତାପରେ ପୁଣି ଏଠି ବହୁତ ଜିନିଷ ଅଛି ସାର୍. Total float, free float, then hello, total float, free float, independent float, how to calculate these things by using earliest starting time, earliest finishing time of each activity, latest starting time, latest finishing time of each activity. I think these are in your syllabus. ଥିବ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବରେ, so far as your project management is concerned. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ତେଣୁ ଏଇଟା ଚାଲିବ ଏଇନା କିଛି ଦିନ କ୍ଲାସ, 2-3ଟା କ୍ଲାସ ଚାଲିବ ଏଇଟା. ତାପରେ ଆମେ ଆସିବା ଆପଣଙ୍କର ହ୍ୟାଲୋ
Yes, sir.
ଇନଭେଣ୍ଟୋରି
Yes.
ମ୍ୟାନେଜମେଣ୍ଟ, another important, ଯୋଉଠିକି ଆପଣ ସପ୍ଲାଇ ଚେନ୍ ମ୍ୟାନେଜମେଣ୍ଟ ମଧ୍ୟ ଆସିବ. ହ୍ୟାଲୋ, ତାପରେ ଆସିବା
Yes, sir.
ସାର୍
Yes.
ଏଗ୍ରିଗେଟ, ନହେଲେ ୟା ପରେ ଏଗ୍ରିଗେଟ ପ୍ଲାନିଂ ପଡିବା. ଆପଣ ବୁଝିପାରିବେ, କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା ନାହିଁ. ଏଗ୍ରିଗେଟ ପ୍ଲାନିଂ, ଆଫ୍ଟର ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ୱିଲ୍ ଡିସ୍କସ୍ ଇନଭେଣ୍ଟୋରି ମ୍ୟାନେଜମେଣ୍ଟ. ତାପରେ ଟୋଟାଲ କ୍ୱାଲିଟି ମ୍ୟାନେଜମେଣ୍ଟ, ହ୍ୟାଲୋ, innovation management, all these things we
Yes, sir.
discuss. Also I share the notes. ଆପଣ ମାନଙ୍କୁ note ମଧ୍ୟ ମୁଁ share କରିଦେବି. Hello.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Sir, it will better.
Thank you, sir.
It will better
କୁହନ୍ତୁ.
for the notes share, sir.
ହଁ ସାର୍, ମୁଁ ବୁଝେଇ ସାରିଲା ପରେ ସାର୍ share କରିଦେବି, ଏଇଟା ତ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ.
Yeah, sir. After complete the session, you will send.
ହଁ ହଁ ସାର୍, sure.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Thank you
Sir,
very much.
you
Thank
can
you.
complete all the concepts in online only.
Yes, na, if they ask to appear physically, actually I have time in morning as well as evening. Evening time is better for me. If they give me some physical class, then it will be better to explain here. Hello.
Sir,
Sir,
physical
most
class only morning class ही हବ, evening ରେ ତ बिल्कुल भी हबନି. And morning class ହେଲେ sir ବହୁତ ଜଣ ଅଛନ୍ତି କି ଆମେ attend ବି କରିପାରିବୁନି.
ହଉ
It's
ତାହେଲେ
not
ଆମେ
possible.
କରିଦବା ଅନଲାଇନ. ଏତ ଅନଲାଇନ ବି ଫିଜିକାଲ, ଆପଣଙ୍କର ମୁଁ ତ ହ୍ୱାଇଟ ବୋର୍ଡ ୟୁଜ କରୁଛି, ତେଣୁ ଅସୁବିଧା କିଛି ନାହିଁ. ହ୍ୟାଲୋ.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
ଆପଣ practical ଜିନିଷ ସବୁ ପଢେଇ ଦେବେ online ରେ, ଯାହା theory ଯଦି କିଛିଟା ଆପଣ ଯଦି ସେଠି ପଢେଇବେ
ହଁ
physically,
ହଁ,
then it's okay.
ଏଗ୍ରିଗେଟ ପ୍ଲାନିଂ ଟେ ବଢିଆ ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟିଂ ଥିଓରି ହେଲେ ବି ଦିଜ ଆର୍ ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟିଂ. ହ୍ୟାଲୋ,
Yes, sir.
ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟିଂ.
କାରଣ theory sir ଆମେ ବହିରୁ ପଢି ହବ କି ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ notes ଦେବେ ଆମେ ପଢି ପାରିବୁ, but practical ତ ଆମ ମୁଣ୍ଡ ଉପରକୁ ପଳେଇବ ନା sir.
ହଉ ଠିକ ଅଛି.
Yes, sir.
ହଉ ସାର୍, ତାହେଲେ ରହୁଛି. ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you,
Good
sir.
night.
Good night, sir.
good night, sir.
Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.
Thank you, sir.